The very scientific terms or something that they use, let's say spatial distribution and what is the importance of spatial distribution. So it's quite difficult for me to convey if they don't understand the aspect as whole. So that's kind of challenging. Yeah. So what I would start with is explaining about my system and then going slowly into it. So it can make it less challenging in a way.
When communicating research, trying to simplify the complicated things in paper is something challenging for me. But I think by the time if you do this frequently, and then it will be something easier to do or to communicate the results.
Yeah, I think that people do not realize how hard can it be working in the tropics and how hard can it be keeping constants in your research that they will be super easier in the lab, or finding the right species and a high number of samples. So we do get a lot of criticism when we try to communicate research scientifically on how come that you didn't have a higher number of samples, for example. And when it comes to communicate the research to people, then not everyone realizing the importance of C dispersal. So they try to focus on the mechanism and how microbes do the fermentation than the overall ecosystem service that this offers.